Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw horror Brud from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the side of the face. So on the top and the middle, we're going to curve this line out. Starting from that point, we're going to arch this line down again. This time from that corner, we're going to make this even bigger as we curve this further up towards the side. And then again, one last time, just curving this line over towards the right. We're going to connect this from top to bottom now with a nice big arch line, creating a circle. Connecting that in the corner. Let's step further out again. We're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out, curving this across. Again, from that corner, we're going to arch this line out. From that point, curving this line all the way around and then up. And then one more time, just curving this line across. And then from that point, just drawing a diagonal line that comes in. Moving over to the left, let's draw in a circle for the left eye. To the left of this now, we're going to draw in another circle, curving this line around. And then in on the bottom. On the top, let's curve this line around and across. And then in the middle for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a straight line directly across. For the blood splatter underneath here, we're going to curve this line up. And now from that point, just arching this line back around and then in towards the corner. Let's come down and draw on the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. We're going to curve this line around. From that point again, arching this line up. And then one more time from that corner, curving this across. And then now from here, we're going to draw in another diagonal line that comes out, and we're just going to end this so it ends at the same height. Let's step across to the right now, and we're just going to draw in a continuous diagonal line that comes down, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. On the top here now, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come out from the side of the body, and we're going to end those at the same height. And then we're going to drop down again, replicating that, just making that smaller. Let's close these off on the top now with a small curved line. Moving underneath, we're going to curve this in. On the bottom again, arching this line out. And then one more time, just curving this line down towards that corner. And that is it. That's how you draw horror Brud from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.